Hi everyone, this is Ken from Malaysia. Let me start with a little introduction about myself first. So I'm a language teacher and I've been teaching English to local and international learners for the past 10 years. And to expand my career as a professional trainer, I have attended trainings such as TTT, Trainer, NLP, which stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming, and the most recent one, which is the Certified Happiness Coach by Happiitude India. And for the past 6 weeks, I would say that this journey has been quite exciting. I was asked to do a lot of assignments, weekly assignments as well, and which are very useful because these assignments help me to be more aware of my own feelings and to reflect on the things that have been going on in my lives and things I have not been paying attention to. I would say that one particular activity which I find rather impactful was counting my smiles. You see, I tend to be quite serious at work and even in my own personal life, where I sometimes forget to smile. So through this activity, I have become more aware of my own expressions, and I really want people to feel comfortable around me. However, the most important reason of all to be part of this journey is that I really want to be a happiness coach for corporates. You see, I think that it is very important for an organization to have happy employees, to have a happy culture, and I think that this is my mission, to deliver the ideas of happiness to corporates. And I want to thank Happiitude and trainers like Karen and Praveen, who will continue to support me in this journey. And I wish that all the success in this journey. And thank you again, Happiitude, for creating such an incredible journey for all the participants in this program. Thank you.